Yes, a nipple. I want tattoo.
Oh, them things there.
I want.
So we're doing something today that no one tells you about. You know, on this channel, we do the things that nobody not talk about. So we are going thrifting. I need to pick up my phone to passwords this. When I know say thrift shop there in Jamaica are opportunities to do thrifting. I'm trying to find the place. It's on Collins Green Avenue. I saw a sign that says I should come straight or I should go straight. So I'm on there, I asked them on there. Yeah man, thrifting is one of the things that I really love to do. And it's not all second hand or old broke. Pupina, as Jamaicans that call. You get sometimes they get new things as well. So when I get there, I'll let you see what's going on. We're here, back on the rock. Back on the rock.
That's very innovative. I'm impressed. Yeah, it's lovely.
That all proceeds go in aid of missionaries of the poor.
What a great idea. Thank you.
Next time we know, this is the section we come first. Here, $100. I find some nice things, but most of them are, I guess. All I can say, but it look new. budget, but they didn't have any shoes. The next one is on the 28th, so if you missed it, you can still get a chance to go get your thrift items. But it was good, and of course the missionaries and whoever work, the volunteers, are really nice. But they asked me about my bag. Kundamala. So I told them that it's in the outback of Australia. But they're on the wrong side of the road. This is my favorite spot for chai tea or chai latte. Favorite. With Auntie Dana, and once you come to Rituals, trust me, she will take care of you. See her nice smile? She's very friendly.
I'm waiting to have you guys. Japan or?
To settle down, I would rather settle down in Australia. The only thing is the distance. It's very diverse, so I'm able to get like anything. I have Asian shops, African stores. It's not so stressful. So I think Jamaican not so much, but African. So it's, and then you don't have to struggle with the language barrier.
So tell me now, in terms of living conditions, it's easier in Australia? Quality of life?
Similar.
To here?
Yeah. Oh, you mean no? Similar to Australia. People are passive aggressive, same way. They're not confrontational, you know, and respectful for the most part. The healthcare is good.
In Australia?
Yes. And the only thing I would say is very expensive, and I can imagine because it's so far, I guess, expensive.
But in terms of,
But
if you were to
you do get paid.
That's what I'm about to ask.
You do get paid, so you can manage to live properly. You can afford your lifestyle.
Okay, good. Would you say better than Jamaica?
It depends on. Look who's here! Look who's here! Look who's here! Yes, yes. Glad to see you. I see Mommy there. Dark.
Yeah, because the light coming
It's
from
nice.
that way.
It's really nice. We appreciate it. We like to look at it.
We're there first. Oh, that's nice. Alright, you can go on.
Come back, but it's come
Look at me, stuff. K-Band hardware furniture. I know say in here so don't cheap, you see. But look, hardware. Then I playing back then give me my bougie pan true and have enough money to spend. True me see influencers going they go buy too. Sorry. So the influencer world go do so lean up nice a while ago with bag. Me see Shami with bag, so me want bag too. You see then something it work, you know, influencer so. Let's say I have some Chinese restaurant, eye shop, and you have a school ladies and they have a whole lot of malls and plazas and they have a whole lot of options. It's a Starbucks. This portion of the video is sponsored by Jamaican Patwah for beginners.
Me mad, but you madder than me. If you're interested in more Patwah lessons, I highly endorse Jamaican Patwah for beginners by Katie and Gentles on Udemy. Here is the barcode. Scan it, take a screenshot, and click on it while it's in your photo album. Jamaican Patwah for beginners by Katie and Gentles.
Them sign here, yo. Who can read it? Can read what them say? I'm signing. Very creative. Well, no sir. Alright. This is the mall. Yes, so now you have chocolate. One bugger answers for children, one of pharmacy. Only pair shops. These Fifth Avenue is also on this plaza. Options, eh? So the Nosh design. Yeah. Wow, and what you call that one here? Rumpel skilling skin. Achu? Yeah. I say call it for you.
No, you call it a certain of the books and
Rolled. Oh, you have one. That protect your two of them. Design them unique, man. I like this. They make you look like Asian designs. Like that. Alright. Oh, not today. Me just buy some panty the other day too, you know. Alright, thanks. On next time, yeah? Alright. Designs here. Just a look for them for today, yeah, man. Alright.
Use with vitamin E and aloe vera.
You want fabric and stuff.
The time by Cubby's Baby Wipes is
anything you want, you can get everything, any and everything. See that? Jewelry, variety store, everything. Pop in Jamaica, all them sell. Go fast. Beauty go. Lavish boutique. Pop in. Nation Fabrics. So this is another fabric store. Peak fast. Oh, look like it's a salon. I want pop in Jamaica. Same place, you know.
was trying to learn with TV my TV there.
I want this right here, so.
Eh?
I want this.
What is?
Yeah, when you pop
I like that
in,
things there.
pop in Jamaica.
Yeah. Hey, tell look what?
What are you doing there?
But anything where you want.
Fast.
Anything where you want doing there. Pass, yeah, pass, and I'm on it. I want tattoo.
Oh, them things there.
I want. What kind of ring you want?
Oh. No, they're not popping today. See sign and send me a fast.
Check-ins.
So nipple piercing, tongue,
Anyway,
tattoo, anywhere you want pierce, can pierce. Braces, your dentist?
cosmetic braces.
Oh, the fast. Okay. How much for braces? Just curious.
Depends on what. The boss in there, they can go up on the side.
Go on the website. So, custom smart on Instagram and TikTok. Alright, thank you. Alright then, thank you, my boss. Sweet Hello can get everything and anything. Okay, and then I have blue. First time here, and it was good. It was a thorough cleaning. Very, very thorough. And I even got a discount. So, if you're in the Red Hills area, I will show you exactly where the office is. This is the shopping mall across from Calabar side. How many if you go to the pharmacy to check out something? But you have Starbucks. You have Starbucks, you have Maxi. Yeah, see here there? Ready to. When you come up the stairs, this the end part, the end of the staircase, the end of the building. That's where they are. Right beside footprints and packaging. And there's a restroom here. Maybe there's a restroom. The place is clean, customer service is good. You want to be on camera? The moment I walked in, I was greeted so nicely. She said she liked my names, the colors. And hygiene technologist, that's what it is. Oral hygienist. She's good too. We spoke throughout the entire thing. She explained to me the issues and how to floss. Big woman like we don't know how to floss properly, and so that's why there was like built up, but it was really good. Recommend 100%. Recommend. I may get full toothbrush and a nice toothbrush. It's not cheap toothbrush. Reach. Yes. I need to analyze my toothbrush because I'm overbrushing one side of my mouth, or apparently some part of my teeth overbrush. So. I'm using electric toothbrush, so maybe it's not soft enough. Alright, thank you. Okay. Alright, not sure. Polish afterwards. Even my tongue get brushed properly. Nice. I'm hungry now. I get something to eat. Okay, M10 bar and grill. One after today. Coffee and beans, steamed pork, currywurst, fried chicken. There are different food options here, but I don't know if I want Little Tokyo or if I'm gonna try M10. I think I'm gonna try M10. I haven't had Little Tokyo in a while. I don't know. I'm gonna try M10 today. Come back another time for Little Tokyo. We all have juicy patty down there. So I'm gonna try M10, yeah. What am on there shine this? Bevan's ice cream. See? Options. The customer service nice, near pharmacy. I just stopped in there for the Sensodyne toothpaste that is recommended for the sensitive tooth, but them not have any, so next time.
Department store, yeah. From bad suits. So this is the price, idea of the price, $2,590 for this. Look like I see the bottom one. Bottom on top.
stairs is